Life is about living. No matter what cards you dealt, do the best that you can with it and just live on. Because you just get one lifetime, you know? You can create your own world, your own happiness, you know, your own situation. You know, it took me a long time to learn that. But you know what? Beauty is from within. It's what your heart says. It's what your mind thinks. And that is my deliverance. That's my story. And I just want to reach out and tell somebody else that might be having low self-esteem, having doubts in yourself. Find the beauty within your situation. You do not have to live in what your doctor's report says. You do not have to live in your financial situation or what your relationship situation. Create your own happiness. That's what life is about. Miss Beautiful You Hair Extensions. BEAUT